Have you ever wondered what separates the ordinary from the extraordinary? It's not talent, not luck, not even a privileged start. It's something much deeper, something forged in fire. It's grit. Every extraordinary story starts with an ordinary heart that refused to give up. Welcome to WordCraft English, where today we're not just learning English. We're unlocking the power within you through the magic of movies. Let's dive into our first scene, a moment that defines struggle and hope. It's from The Pursuit of Happyness where Chris Gardner, played by Will Smith, is at his lowest point. He and his son are forced to sleep in a public restroom. He's holding the door shut, tears in his eyes, but he never lets go. He is protecting his son, but he is also protecting his dream. The key phrase here is hold on. It's simple, just 2 words, but it's packed with emotion. To hold on means to persevere, to not let go, especially in a difficult situation. Notice how Will Smith's voice is just a whisper. He's trying not to wake his son, but also his strength is almost gone. Yet he holds on. In your life, when things get tough, what do you hold on to? Your dreams, your family. That's your anchor. Now, let's break down some powerful vocabulary from this scene. The word pursuit in the title is crucial. A pursuit is a long and determined effort to achieve something. It's not just a wish. It's an active chase. Pronounce it with me, pursuit. The stress is on the second syllable. Another word is happiness, spelled with a Y. In the movie, this spelling is from a mural and symbolizes that happiness is something you must earn something you pursue . It's a powerful visual metaphor. Think about Chris Gardner's situation. He's facing homelessness, financial ruin, and immense pressure. This is what we call adversity. Adversity refers to difficulties or misfortune. When you face adversity, you have 2 choices: give up or develop grit. Grit is passion and perseverance for long-term goals. It's the engine that drives you through adversity. Can you think of a time you showed grit? That's a story worth telling. Let's shift gears to a different kind of fight. The boxing ring in Rocky . Rocky Balboa is not the most skilled boxer. He's an underdog, someone who is expected to lose. But he has something his opponents don't: a heart that won't quit. In the famous training montage, he's pushing his body to the absolute limit. He's running through the streets of Philadelphia before the sun is up, his breath fogging in the cold air. The iconic line from his coach, Mickey, is "You're gonna eat lightning and you're gonna crap thunder." This is a classic example of an idiom. It's not literal, of course. It means you're going to be incredibly powerful and fast. It's a way to use language to build someone up, to make them believe they are unstoppable. English is full of these colorful expressions that add emotion and power to your words. Let's analyze the language. Push through the pain. This phrase is central to Rocky's journey. To push through means to continue doing something even when it's incredibly difficult. The word pain here isn't just physical. It's emotional. It's the pain of being told you're not good enough. Rocky's entire training is a testament to this idea. Every step, every punch is an act of defiance against his own limitations. Another key term is underdog. An underdog is a competitor thought to have little chance of winning. Are you an underdog in your own story? Maybe in learning English, you feel like an underdog. You see others who seem to learn faster. But like Rocky, it's not about how you start. It's about your will to go the distance. This phrase means to finish something you started, no matter how long or difficult it is. That's grit in action. Now, let's look at a story of intellectual grit from the film Hidden Figures It tells the true story of 3 brilliant African-American women at NASA who were the brains behind one of the greatest operations in history. Katherine Johnson, one of the mathematicians, faces constant disrespect and obstacles. She has to run half a mile just to use the colored bathroom. But does she complain? No. She works harder. She proves her brilliance with numbers. In a powerful scene, her boss, Al Harrison, asks, "Where have you been?" She finally explains the exhausting reality of the segregated bathrooms. In that moment, he tears down the colored ladies' room sign, declaring, "Here at NASA, we all pee the same color." This is a turning point. But it didn't happen by chance. It happened because of Catherine's unrelenting excellence. Let's examine the vocabulary. Catherine demonstrates incredible resilience. Resilience is the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties. It's toughness. Say it with me, Reese. Every day she faced prejudice, but she bounced back more determined than ever. She didn't let the injustice define her. She let her work speak for itself. Another important word is brilliance. Brilliance means exceptional talent or intelligence. Catherine's brilliance was undeniable. Even those who were prejudiced against her could not ignore her mathematical genius. Her story teaches us that your skills, your knowledge, your brilliance, these are your power. When you master a language like English, you are building your own form of brilliance. Think about the phrase, break down barriers. A barrier is something that blocks your way. Catherine didn't just break down a physical barrier, the sign on the bathroom door. She broke down social and professional barriers. She proved that talent has no race and no gender. How can learning English help you break down barriers in your own life? It can open doors to new jobs, new friendships, and new ways of understanding the world. So, what do these stories, a struggling father, a determined boxer, and a brilliant mathematician have in common? They all show us that the journey from ordinary to extraordinary is paved with grit. It's about holding on when you want to let go. It's about pushing through the pain when your body and mind scream, "Stop." It's about having the resilience to show up every single day, even when you're overlooked or underestimated. Learning English is a lot like that. Some days you'll feel like you're not making progress. You'll forget words, struggle with grammar, and feel shy to speak. That's your rocky moment. That's your pursuit of happiness moment. This is where you need grit. Every word you learn, every sentence you practice, is a step on that cold Philadelphia morning. Every conversation you dare to have is you holding the door to your dream. Your journey with English is not just about memorizing vocabulary. It's about finding your voice. It's about building the confidence to share your ideas, to connect with people, and to break down your own barriers. Like Katherine Johnson, your knowledge is your power. The more you learn, the more you build that power. And with that power, you can write your own extraordinary story. Never forget that every expert was once a beginner. Every hero was once an ordinary person who made a choice to keep going. The language of movies inspires us, but the language you are learning right now empowers you. Use it. Be brave. Make mistakes. Get back up. That is how you turn ordinary effort into extraordinary results. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. Remember, your story is waiting to be written, and you hold the pen. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who needs to hear it. For more lessons where words build dreams and grit creates greatness, subscribe to WordCraft English. Keep learning, keep pushing, and we'll see you in the next video.